show the installation of the our lamps, wall lamps, Aplik. This is three size. This is the big size. This is medium size. And also this is the small size. Now I show to you what we installed this. First of all, you pass the cable like this from here. After that, here, look please, there is two holes. One of them here. You put twice, and also the other here. I'm sorry. Oh. After that, here, you close the apparatus like this. And now, put this like this. Turn the plastic. Be careful, do it strongly. It's finished, and you put your lamp. What color you want, you can use. Also, there is hole for mount it on the wall with screw on the hole. You put it. After that, like this, you can install on the wall. And here, there's switch. I want to show you. Put the switch. And like this for electric, whenever you want, close switch, open switch. Thank you, have a good day.